Hey there everybody. Had some heavy rain, packed down my dirt a little bit. I got it all nice and wet. This garden soil that I put in. So it's time to put some garlic in. We're going to have our first frost maybe in a couple weeks, maybe a little less, and I have got to get this into the dirt. These are Russian red. I also have some machiche and some Georgian fire. But these are hardneck garlic. Hardneck does a lot better up here above the 45th parallel, especially like up here in the Pacific Northwest. Thing about the hardneck is when you open one of these things up, inside has a hard neck that goes through it. This little stem piece. It goes all the way through. At the top, in the summer, you'll get what's called escape. And you got to cut these off. I cut these off last year, threw them in the freezer, so they still got some freezer on it, still frost on it. And these actually are really good if you want to chop them up, turn them into stew. Tastes just like garlic. Pretty good actually. But these are scapes. A lot of people like them. I do. I like making scape soup. But instead of eating scapes all day, I'm going to be putting my garlic in. So, put the garlic in. Basically, all you got to do is break them up. And then, once you get them broken up, stick them in the soil with this pointy end up. And you want to do it about every 3 to 4 inches, 4 inches most. I usually just do a knuckle across. That way I can get it, my knuckles across from here to here. That way I can get them spaced properly. Makes it easy, don't have to bring out a tape measure or nothing. And these are garlic. It's garlic in your garden. So that's what we're going to be doing. Alright, so I got my garlic here. I'm going to come in and I'm going to just stick it into the ground. So it's just barely below the soil. Not too much, just enough. And once again, about 3 inches apart. Not too much. This is some really soft soil, so it's going to come down and pack down a little bit. I'm going to do that all the way across here. Alright, well, I got my beds planted. This one is full of Russian red. This one has Georgian fire. I have some more Russian red in the far one. And then right here I got machiche. And of course, since I'm out here, we're in Western Washington, it's starting to sprinkle on me, of course. Can't help it, it just rains all the time. But I still have a little bit of garlic left over for me to use in my soups and hot sauces. So I'm good to go. I have about 300 Russian red planted, 100 Georgian fire, and about 75 machiche. After the leaves get done falling from the trees, I'm going to take all these leaves and I'm going to put them right on top of my garlic. And what that's going to do is going to help it protect a little bit, keep it from the heavy frost from freezing the garlic cloves whole. So we're good to go. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, happy gardening, and have a great day.